Mubango wa uheani wa irio thukuru-ini cia muthingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ukoretwo ugitema itemi inene hari gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo na makiria aria maumite micii itari na uhoti muiganu. Gukinyiria riu arutwo makiria ma 180 ni magunikite na mubango uyu kuona mariko IKUMI nimo makoretwo makihuthika thiini wa icigo 10 cia umbunge.
One kitchen serves the entire constituency. In the Great South, we already have Mukarara that we are using. In Kibra, we have Toi Primary School. In Babadogo, we have Babadogo Primary, that's in Roraka. In Kasarani, we've completed NGIRI.
Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti no Johnson SAKAJA, kuri na mubango wa kuongerera mariko mange 7 niguo gutigirira arutwo othe ni makuruhanio mubango-ini uyu, akiuga ugikinyiria mwaka turorete arutwo makiria ma 250 nio mariteithikaga na mubango ucio.
Quality of finishings, the quality of materials used, it is a world-class program. You know, it's very difficult to see a government building done to that extent and in that time.
Ona kuri uguo gavana ni oritie anyiti itemi aria ni hamwe na aria mahetwo kandarathi ya waki wa mariko macio gwitikira kurutithania wira niguo gukinyaniria kioneki kiu.
Many could not afford to get the children food every day. You know, things have been tough for many people in the city, but now with just 5 shillings, because that is what we are charging, with 5 shillings children get a hot meal, 650 grams, balanced diet every single day in school, and it reduces the pressure on the parents who are going out to hustle, and then whether or not they get something, the children will have eaten.
Kuhitukira waki wa mariko maya a Kenya matanyiire 2,000 ni mahotete kugia na mawira. SAKAJA akiuga thirikari yake no iguthie na mbere na guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi.
More than 1,000 and close to 2,000 workers, and these are the parents of these children, you know, so the ones who are taking the data from the device of Tap to Eat. They're the ones who are drivers, they're the ones who are cooks, you know, the chefs, they're the ones who clean, and they're very excited at this opportunity because it's also an opportunity for them.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.